Good afternoon all. My name is Kalpesh Gambhir Bhai Chaudhary, and today's our topic is this and super keyword in Java. So first of all, we explain the this keyword in Java. So there can be a lot of use of Java this keyword. In Java, this is the reference variable that refers to the current object. So this is a reference variable and state behavior object. So the use of Java this keyword. So this can use to refer current class instance variable. This can be used to invoke current class method in simplicity. And this can be used to invoke current class constructor. And this can be passed an argument in the method call. Uh, this keyword can be passed as argument in the constructor call. This keyword can be used to return the current class instance from the method. So if so this keyword in class, suppose uh, the this keyword can be used to refer current class instance variable if there is ambiguity between the instance variable and parameters like keywords resolve the problem of ambiguity. So suppose we understand the problem with this keyword. Suppose we create a student class. So int roll number, string name and float fee. So in create a constructor student, so pass the value int roll number, string name and float fee. So this keyword used to this dot roll number is equal to roll number, it's same as name and fee. So in void display method sysout roll number plus name plus fee. So we another class test in public in main method we create an object student s1 and passing the value 1 abc and fees is 5000. So the output is 1 abc and 5000. Without this keyword is the output is 0 null and fees 0.0. So in the above example, parameter formula arguments and instance variable are same. So we using this keyword to to local variable and instance variable. So if the local variable and the instance variable are different, there is no need to use this keyword. So suppose we create a class student class and int roll number, string name and float fee. So in create a constructor student int r, string n and float f. So roll number is equal to r, name is equal to n and fee is equal to f. So this time does not use to this keyword. So in void display method system.out.println roll number plus name plus fee. So in another class create an object student s1 is equal to new student. So passes the value 1 abc and 5000. So the output is 1 abc and 5000. This to invoke the current class method. Suppose the method of the current class by using this keyword. If you don't use this keyword, compiler automatically add these keywords while invoke the method. So suppose let's take example class A void m method system.out.println hello and void n method system.out.println hello n. So this dot m method call. So the in another create another class test in main method create a calling a object a is equal to new a. So the a dot n method, so the output is a hello n and hello. So this is the this keyword also calling parameterized constructor from default constructor, and calling default constructor from parameterized constructor. Suppose we example create a class A, and in system in a method system.out.println hello A, and create a constructor, pass the value int x. So in this constructor, this using this keyword system.out.println x, so the class test 5, another class test. So in public static void main method create an object a is equal to new a, and pass the value 10. So suppose the output is hello a and 10. So this keyword in this keyword in Java. So next one is a super keyword. So the super keyword in Java is a reference variable which is used to refer immediate parent class object. Whenever you create the instance of subclass, and instance of parent class is created implicitly, which is referred by the super reference variable. So suppose the uses of Java super keyword. First, super keyword can be used to refer immediate parent class instance variable. Super keyword can be used to invoke immediate parent class method, and super method can be used to invoke immediate parent class constructor. So the super is used to refer immediate parent class instance variable. So we can use super keyword to access the data member or field or parent class. It is used if parent class and child class have same fields. So suppose example, in a create a class an animal, string color is equal to white, and another class dog extend animal, string color is black. So the white print color in print method system.out.println color, and system.out.println super.color. So in another class test, in main method create an object dog, d is equal to new dog, and d dot print color. So the output is a black and white. So the output is a black and white. And suppose second one is a super can be used to invoke parents class method. So this super keyword can also be used to invoke parent class method. It should be used if subclass contains the same method as parent class. In other words, it is used to use if method is override. So suppose the example, we create a class animal, in void eat method system.out.println eating. So in another class dog extend animal, so void eat system.out.println eating beard, and brak void brak method system.out.println barking, and in void in a work method super.eat and break method. So the in my class we in main method create an object dog d is equal to new dog. So d dot work, so the output calling a d dot work, so the output is a eating and barking. So in this about example, animal and dog both are class have eat method. So if we call eat method from dog class, it will call the eat method from dog class by default, because priority is given to the local. So the third one is a super is used to invoke parent class constructor. The super keyword can also be used to invoke the parent class constructor. And last one is a suppose we know well the half constructor default constructor is provide a compiler automatically if there is no constructor, but it also add super as the first statement. So in suppose the real use of super example, super keyword, let's see the real use to the super keyword, where the emp class inherits person class. So all the properties of person will be inherit the emp by default. To initialize all the property, we are using parent class constructor or child class in such way. So we are reusing the parent class constructor. So this is the super keyword in Java. Thank you so much.